Welcome back, everybody, to another weekly breakdown here from Tapped In Academy with your boy Rome. And just as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and break down US30 and Gold, and we're gonna start off with US30 today. So just as usual, let's go and take a gander at our weekly candles real quick. I'm just gonna delete all of that and clean it up. Now, as you can see here, we pull back into a weekly fair value gap and giving bullish indications with this nice wick out of here. Let's go into our daily. Daily came down to our daily SMA as well too. Did not take out these lows actually, but gave a very strong bullish indication that these are protected areas, which is very interesting. Now let's go down to our 4-hour, but on our 4-hour, we're gonna look at this on futures real quick. Now we have this mitigation candle right here that's very interesting. All right, on the 4-hour, you can see that we're making very clean stair steps down. We have a bearish fair value gap right here. Oh, sorry, this is our 2-hour. This is meant to be the 4-hour. So we have a bearish 4-hour fair value gap right here, which looks good. Because right now our 4-hour is bearish. So we have this mitigation right here on the 4-hour as well too. I'm gonna label that as mitigation candle. And I want to see this on the 1-hour. Actually, we'll see this on all time frames. All right, we're down to our 1-hour real quick. Our 1-hour here has a chance to make an inverted head and shoulders to continue to pull back up into this zone. So we really have buy zones from a couple of spaces, and it can play out a couple of ways. Like this right here is a buy zone. So if we go to our daily, yeah, our daily has some sell-offs, but overall structure-wise, to me on the daily, it's not bearish yet. We haven't closed below this mitigation, and we haven't really closed below this high here either. So to me, it's still bullish. This is just a pullback on that time frame, and we could end up catching some pretty decent lows here. I do think that it's going to take out this liquidity up in the zone and start off with a pullback into this buy zone. So we could take out this liquidity up here, could hit into that, come back down to here, and then come back up and retrace on out of there. So that's initially what I'm looking for. Yeah, and with this right here, this would be a nice buy sell side sweep liquidity, taking out these lows and respecting that zone. So I definitely want to see something like this potentially play out in the markets here. I'm gonna keep my eye out on that. If you guys are in live streams, this is gonna be something that we're gonna be looking for as well too in there. Now let's go ahead and look at gold as well too. We're gonna start off on our weekly real fast. Another bearish week, 2 bearish weeks for the first time in a long time. Hasn't happened since April. 3 bearish weeks technically actually, but that could mean that we're getting a slowdown from this pullback in reaction to these fair value gaps. We'll go down to our daily here. Our daily is definitely stalling out. We haven't had any real trending here in the past couple of days, so hopefully we can get a nice little breakout. And to be quite honest with you, there's really no point in me marking this up until we have a breakout. So in all reality, guys, we need to see it break out of these supply and demand zones. I know this is not the most exciting breakdown that you guys wanted to see, but in all reality, this is what we have to do. This is what we have to deal with. That's supply up there. All right, that's gonna be our sell zone. And this low here is gonna be our buy zone. You feel me? Now, with that being said, we just really, you can either take buyers from here or take sells from there. And then once it breaks out and goes the other way, like, you just gotta go with it. There's nothing more to that I can say about gold right now. Like, even if you look at this 4-hour mitigation right here, it's been holding as a strong supply. Am I leaning more towards the sells or towards the buys? It could go either way right now, to be quite honest. So I know this isn't the most exciting type of breakdown that you guys were looking for on gold today, but it's consolidated, guys. It's in a range. This isn't cool. This range right here is what? Let's see. 1,500 points. Okay, 1,500 point range. Yes, money can be made in there, but we want to make sure we have a trending market and make easier plays and have higher probabilities. But overall, guys, that's pretty much what we're going to be dealing with for the week. If you guys want to go ahead and trade with us, go ahead and hit the link down below. You'll be able to trade with me for the next 7 days for free and see what it's like to use these setups and strategies in live markets. If you guys have questions, reach out to me down below, or I'll see you guys in live sessions. Peace.